more like for your in your kitchen. If you want to put this, okay, if you want a sink such as this one, take a look. This kind of type of sink, guys, would you like to have one like this? If you want to buy like towels, guys, for your houses, you can come to this place. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the Roadman, and today I'm here at the International Trade City. As you can see behind me, this is the area in the industrial area. That's the Mungwi industrial area. Yes, they have like a number of shops that sell things from all over the world. So if you want to start a business, or you want to order things, or just have certain services offered to you, you can come to this particular place. But also, if you're looking for a shop like where you can start your business from, they have like a number of shops over here that are for rent, you know. So you can come here and rent one of the shops, of which I'm actually going to give you like their details and stuff like that. So let us walk around in this particular trading center. They have like how many buildings? Like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 of them. So they're divided into small shops, and I've seen like a number of shops that are selling like motor vehicle spares and things like that. So if you're looking for that kind of a shop as well, or just to where you can buy like spares and things, this is a place you can come to. It's called the International Trade City. So yeah, if you're new on my channel, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a video, you guys don't miss any single of my upload. My name is Samson, the Roadman. So let us get started here at the International Trade City. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're into this beautiful International Trade City, which is this place that you're able to see here. It has quite a lot of, how many of these shops or buildings does it have like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're gonna start. Let me just show you how it is from this side. Let me just show you how it is, how beautiful it is on this side, and then we're going to go move around in this particular area, guys. So this area is located along Mungwi Road. When it's about 2 to 3 kilometers from Lusaka CBD in the industrial area. Okay, Mungwi industrial area. So here you can find a number of shops. As you know, it's as you have seen, it's called the International Trade City. So the whole idea is to have like lots of shops from all over, you know, from all over the continent, from all over the world. And if you have goods that you are selling and you're looking for a shop where you can actually come and rent one from here. If you are selling like motor vehicle spares and stuff like that, this is a place, guys. Like you can come here and yes, rent one shop. So I'm just going to walk you around and show you guys how it is. Okay, so it's quite a big place that I've seen like ahead of me. There's a place called Atata Investment. So this is the deal in kitchen, tombstones, staircase, bathroom, vanities, TV background, stone crafts. These are the people here, you know. So these are the people that deal with that. You can see from there, they have quite a lot of stones and stuff like that. So let's see what they have from there. TV backgrounds, interesting. It's like where you put your TV. You can see from here. Nice. So this can actually cut your stones the way you want them. but they're also selling other things. So you can see, guys, it's quite a very busy place. Very, very busy. So if you want a sink such as this one, take a look. This kind of type of sink, guys, would you like to have one like this? Beautiful. I like it. Take a look. Though I like this color more. Just more like a sink, a washing. It can be like a washing sink or something. Very interesting, guys. Very, very, very interesting. Okay. So this company is called Atata Investment. Right here at the Lusaka Trade City. Okay. And then on the other side, there's a company that is called Kamuri Building Material Limited. So they sell like doors, windows, and these other things. Quite a very interesting place. So you can see that a number of shops are not even open. Like I was saying. So like here you have like things like this. This is more like for in your kitchen if you want to put this. Very nice. Cool. Yes, guys. So you can see like a number of shops are not even like open, so if you want to rent, there are still lots of shops right here at this particular place, guys. So I'll give you the number to contact if you want to contact the owners, so that yes, guys. So if you want to, you intend to actually like open like a business in Zambia, maybe you want to do like spares and things like that, you can come to this place. Okay, there's fast CFC, which is cargo services. It's more like a clearing and forwarding company. Okay, but look at these. All these shops are not occupied, but it's a very good area, guys. I can tell you, it's a very good area. So let us maybe walk down this road and then we come back like that, so that we show you how it is. Okay, so we are here at the International Trade City. Okay, guys, so I'm here at the International Trade City, showing you guys how it is here. It's quite a very nice place, but some shops are not yet occupied, maybe for some reasons. They may actually be maybe expensive, or maybe they're not like. But I can tell you that business surely will be here when the shops are occupied. I can tell you that. You just need to like bring lots of things, different things. If people know this place, the whole lot of Lusaka will actually be trooping here, and that can happen. I've just seen like that truck, the yellow truck, is actually being driven by a lady, and like in Zambia, it's rare to find a lady driving a very a big truck like that one. It's rare. So this is the area we are touring, guys. It's called the Trading City, International Trading City. That is located in Mungwi Road. Mungwi Road is, but then it's like 3 kilometers away from Lusaka CBD, and then from there you find a roundabout, the Zambif, and then on your left, that's where you go. It's like 100 meters from there. So take a look. So they're still demarcating some of these shops. Okay. So they're still demarcating some of these shops. Here. Looks like they repair these. I don't know what you call these guys. Is it matatus or something? I think they repair them. So you can see a lot of them there. Okay. This is Depon Customer Care, Customer Service. boss is giving people some raincoats because it's rainy season here now in Zambia. So, quite a lot of shops that are not occupied, you know. Take a look, but so you still have like yes boss. Hey. So you can see, coming again back to this side, there's still a number of shops that are not occupied. In the corner there we saw the Camry building material, and then this side you can see another one. It's too windy today, or at least it has become windy now. So guys, hope you're able to hear me clearly. So this side they've got Asia Travel Products Company, so they sell things such as handbags, you know, and things like that. And then here guys, this side you've got more industrial area. So this side they sell Marco Polo towels. These are Zambian made towels, Marco Polo towels guys. So this is where you find them, and these towels are actually the cheapest towels, because they are made locally, you know. So if you want to buy like towels, guys, for your houses, you can come to this place. This is the industrial area, like I was explaining earlier, that in this type of the industrial area side, things are even cheaper as compared to the other like shops in town that are selling the same Marco Polo towels. Here you find that they are slightly cheaper. You know, so that's it. That's Marco Polo towels over here. Okay. Alright guys. So that's Marco Polo towels. A very interesting area. But then how do they sell here? This is building materials as well. So spare care. They sell like spares here. Okay. Spare care. They also sell your one-stop service center for all motorcycles. Okay, cool. You can see there. So they do service like motorcycles over here. Okay. So the shop that has impressed me the most is already this one, Marco Polo towels, because a lot of people actually struggle and they're trying to find towels like in Zambia, you know, but they're here, you know. You can come and order from them very nice and affordable towels. Okay, that's the Marco Polo towels over there. Okay guys, that's it. So that's the number there. Shop and warehouse for rent. So you can see from there guys. Yes. So take advantage of that. This is at the International Trade City over here. So you can actually get yourself a shop here and start your business, you know. Those are the numbers. Hope you guys are able to see the numbers there. Right guys, thank you so much. That's it from me, Samson the Roadman, here at the International Trade City. I hope you found value from what I've shared with you today, and if you have, please remember to like the video, subscribe, and yeah, give the video a like. Especially guys, support the channel by you know, giving the super thanks wherever you can. If you're in a country that actually allows like super thanks, you can give me whatever, you know, whatever donation that you feel like, so that we keep the channel going and show you guys a lot more different places right here in Lusaka, Zambia. So my name is Samson the Roadman once again, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves.